Most people believe making more money means working more hours. They wake up early, rush through the day, and trade their time for a paycheck, hoping that one day they'll finally get ahead. But what if the real secret to building wealth isn't working harder at all? What if the people quietly growing their wealth have figured out how to make money while they're asleep, on vacation, or spending time with their families? It sounds almost too good to be true. Yet it's one of the biggest differences between those who stay stuck financially and those who slowly build lasting financial freedom. And here's the surprising part. You don't need to be rich to get started. Think about the way most people earn money. Every dollar depends on showing up. If they stop working, the income stops too. There's nothing wrong with having a job. In fact, for almost everyone, that's where the journey begins. The problem appears when a paycheck becomes the only source of income. Suddenly, every unexpected expense feels stressful. Losing a job becomes terrifying. And taking time off starts to feel expensive instead of relaxing. This is where passive income changes the game. Passive income simply means earning money from something you already built, bought, or invested in. It doesn't mean you never work. That's one of the biggest myths. Most passive income takes effort at the beginning. The difference is that your work continues producing value long after you've finished it. Instead of constantly trading hours for dollars, you're building assets that can keep paying you over time. Imagine planting a tree. At first, you dig the hole, water it, and take care of it every day. It feels like a lot of work with very little reward. But eventually, the tree grows strong enough to provide shade and fruit with much less effort from you. Passive income works the same way. The hardest part usually comes first. The rewards come later. But there's something most people don't understand. Passive income is not about getting rich overnight. It's about creating options. Even a small amount of recurring income changes the way you think about money. When you know that money continues coming in whether you're working or not, financial decisions become less emotional and much more intentional. So where do you actually begin? One of the simplest places is dividend investing. Certain companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders. If you own those shares, you may receive regular payments called dividends. At first, those payments might seem tiny. Maybe enough for a meal or a monthly subscription. Many beginners lose interest because the numbers look small. But they forget something incredibly important. Every payment can be reinvested to buy more shares, which can generate even more dividends later. Over time, this creates a snowball effect that becomes surprisingly powerful. Another popular option is investing in real estate through real estate investment funds. Instead of buying an entire property, which often requires a large amount of money, these funds allow investors to own small pieces of many different properties. Rental income flows through the investment, giving people exposure to real estate without dealing with broken pipes, late-night phone calls, or finding tenants. It's not completely risk-free, but it shows that building passive income doesn't always require owning an apartment building. However, investments aren't the only path. Some people create digital products. Imagine spending several weeks designing a helpful guide, a template, or an online course that solves a specific problem. Once it's finished, people can continue buying it long after the initial work is complete. The effort happens once, while the product has the potential to generate income again and again. Others build websites or online businesses filled with useful information. At first, almost nobody visits. It feels discouraging. But as more people discover the content, advertising revenue or affiliate commissions may slowly grow. Suddenly, work completed months ago continues generating income today. We'll come back to why this matters in just a moment. Before moving to the next idea, here's something worth remembering. If you're enjoying practical lessons about building long-term wealth, consider subscribing for more videos like this. And if this video helped simplify investing, Leaving a like lets us know to create more content that makes money feel less complicated. Now let's talk about the mistake that quietly destroys so many passive income dreams. People often chase the highest returns instead of the most reliable systems. They hear stories about someone doubling their money in a short period. They see flashy advertisements promising effortless wealth. They jump from one opportunity to another without understanding the risks. But sustainable passive income rarely looks exciting in the beginning. Real wealth usually grows slowly. It's almost boring. And that's exactly why it works. Imagine two people starting at the same time. One spends years chasing shortcuts, constantly switching strategies after every disappointing result. The other consistently invests a portion of every paycheck into quality assets, reinvests every dollar earned, and stays patient through market ups and downs. Years later, the difference isn't just financial. It's psychological. One person is still searching for the next miracle. The other has built a system that works without constant stress. Another mistake is believing passive income means doing absolutely nothing. Every successful asset needs occasional attention. Investments require monitoring. Businesses require updates. Rental properties need management. Digital products may need improvements. Passive doesn't mean effortless. It means your income is no longer perfectly tied to every hour you personally work. And this is where things start changing. Once your first source of passive income begins producing even a small amount, your perspective shifts. You stop asking, "How can I earn more this month?" Instead, you begin asking, "What asset can I build next?" That single question changes everything because it focuses on ownership instead of labor. Imagine receiving a small payment while you're eating dinner with your family, or waking up to discover your investment paid a dividend overnight. The amount might be modest, but the lesson is enormous. You realize money can work alongside you instead of depending entirely on you. Over time, many financially successful people don't rely on just one passive income source. They gradually build several. Perhaps dividend investments provide one stream. A digital product creates another. Real estate investments contribute a third. None of them may seem life-changing alone. Together, they become something much stronger. A financial safety net that grows wider every year. The beautiful part is that you don't need to build everything at once. You only need to begin. Maybe that means investing a small amount consistently every month. Maybe it means learning a valuable skill you can eventually package into a digital product. Maybe it means studying businesses before buying your first investment. Every meaningful source of passive income starts with a simple decision followed by consistent action. The people who eventually make money while they sleep didn't discover a secret hidden from everyone else. They simply understood that assets are more valuable than endless hours of work. They accepted that patience often beats speed. They focused on building systems instead of chasing shortcuts. Years from now, you'll either look back wishing you had started earlier, or you'll be grateful that today became the moment everything changed. The choice won't be decided by luck. It won't be decided by income alone. It will be decided by whether you begin creating assets that keep working long after you've finished. And once you understand that idea, you stop seeing passive income as a dream. You start seeing it as a plan. If you're ready to discover the next step after building your first source of passive income, click the video appearing on your screen right now. It will show you how ordinary people gradually turn simple investments into long-term financial freedom.